Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not the sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of BOSGAME P4 Plus Mini PC. So this is basically a mini PC that is getting really popular on social media, and it is provided by a company named as BOSGAME. So it has a lot of features. As you can see, it is a mini PC which provides you with the capabilities of 16 GB or 32 GB DDR4 and even 512 to up to 1 TB SSD, which is optional. So it has a lot of other features. As you can see, 4K triple screen output and Type C HDMI DP other ports and Wi-Fi 6E. So these are the claims that are made by this company, and as you can see, the list of features are endless. But now let's dive in and find out if these are actually worth it, if this is actually worth it to buy this mini PC for $269. So I tried to do a research about this product, and as you can see, the people are actually have mixed opinions. As one just said, mine just died completely after 10 months, was working 1 second then break, will not respond to any attempts to revive. So he just bought this product, and his product stopped working after 10 months. But on the other hand, I tried to see a man who was just defending it and saying that his PC is working perfectly fine. But now, as you can see on their official website, it is also available on Amazon, so which is a major green signal, because a product that is available on Amazon passes through a variety of safety checks, and it has a 4.2 rating, which is based on 232 reviews. So in my opinion, this is a slightly good rating. So in conclusion, I would say, like, you can do buy this product. It is not a scam because it is available on Amazon, and also 234 reviews are also available. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye.